you will need a female slick connect available in 6 and 8mm, a male slick connect, a 13 to 15mm double-eared O-clip, a 9 to 11mm double-eared O-clip, pole hose, microbore hose, which comes in both 6mm and 8mm diameters, an O-clip tool. Slide the tapered end of the female slick connector over the microbore hose. Next, take your 13 to 15mm double-eared O-clip and slide it over the hose. Keeping it in place, push the other half, the connector, into the hose, making sure the hose touches the end of the fitting. Then crimp the ears of the O-clip tight. And slide the tapered side over the microbore hose. Take the tapered side of the male slick connect and slide it over the pole hose. Then slide the 9 to 11mm O-clip over the pole hose. Keeping it in place, insert the connector into the pole hose, pushing the hose up to the top of the connector. Now with your O-clip tool, crimp the double-eared O-clip tight. Next, pull the tapered sleeve over the connector. It will align via internal grooves. This will keep it in position when in use. You're now ready to use your slick connect coupling. Simply align your bayonet fittings up, push together and twist in a clockwise direction. To undo, twist anti-clockwise and pull apart. There we have the slick connect couplings. You can purchase them today at www.windowcleaningwarehouse.co.uk. Thanks for watching.